Introducing our eco-friendly Jute handbag, designed with vibrant patterns and natural materials to bring together sustainability, style, and everyday convenience in one beautiful product. Crafted from high-quality jute with detailed, colorful designs, this bag offers excellent durability and strength, making it a reliable choice for your everyday needs. Perfect for shopping, work, or casual outings, this stylish jute handbag adds a natural and vibrant touch to your daily lifestyle. With a spacious and practical design, this bag easily carries your essentials while helping you reduce plastic use in a smart and eco-friendly way. Available in a variety of colorful patterns and unique styles, these jute bags are designed to match different tastes and personalities.
Choose a smarter and more sustainable lifestyle. Handbag combines beauty, function, and eco-conscious design for everyday use.